First, we will learn what is the concept of data types and what does it means. Data type means data types are means to identify the type of data and associated operations of handling it. Means we we write data type to show that which type of data we are going to use in a program. Now, how many data types are there in Java? We generally see there are two types of data type. It first is primitive data type, second is reference data type. Primitive data type is also known as fundamental data types. Is it has got byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean. And for the reference data type, it is class, arrays, and interface. Now, what are primitive data types? These are the fundamental data types offered by Java. Primitive data types are also known as fundamental data types. Generally, we know that there are four types of primitive data types. First is your numeric integral primitive types. In this, a number comes, whole number comes, the number can be negative or positive. We can take here number negative or positive. Second is your fractional primitive types. In fractional primitive types, we come to a data float and double also. In float, the decimal number comes when we use data type. When we use data uh, fractional decimal, then we use in this type of data type. In this double also, when we use very long numbers or we are confused about that the decimal will come or not, then we use also double numbers, double data type. In char is an individual character. It is an individual unit in a program. It is simple character, so we use character primitive types also. Now, last one is your Boolean primitive types. Boolean primitive types contain only true or false. It has got only two values. Now we come to our next slide. Numeric integral types. In this, numeric values are stored in this data type. We will come to know how many bytes it took and what is the range and what is the default value. It is very important according to your words because it is directly asked in your question what is the range, what is the size, and what is default values of your data type. In byte, the size is 1 byte and its range is -128 to 127. Its default value is 0. In short, the range size is 2 bytes and range is this, and it also has got default value of 0. In int, the size in bytes is 4 and its range is this, and its default value is also got 0. In long, it has got size in bytes 8 and its range is this much, and it has got default value in 0. These all are byte, short, int, long. These all are your numeric integral types. Now fractional numeric types. This type of data can store numeric having decimal points. The numbers which has got decimal points that can be stored in a fractional numeric types. In this, the first is float. Its size is 4 bytes and its range is this, and its default value is, pay attention here, 0.0f. Its default value is 0.0f. And double, it has got size 8 bytes size and its default value is 0.0d. 0.0d, pay attention here, 0.0d. You have to write this like only. Float is a single precision floating point up to 6 digit, and double has, you can use as long as you want, double precision floating point. Now character data types. This type only stores characters. Its size is 2 bytes. Type is char and its range is 0 to 65,536, and its default value is this. You have to write like this only. In character, we all know that is it stores only a single character, means 1, 2, A, B, or special characters, question mark, quotation marks, like that. In Boolean data type, as we all know, previously it is known that Boolean data types present only single value, either it can be true or false. It can have only one of the value, true or false. Its type is Boolean and no precisely defined, but Java reserves 8 bits but uses only 1 bit. In its size, Java for the Boolean in Java it is reserved 8 bits, but it used only size 1 bit, and its range is true or false, but its default value is false. Always remember the default value of Boolean is false. Now this is a short summary of your data types. Revise it. Data types in Java. In primitive data types, integers comes byte, short, int, long. In floating point, it comes float, double. In character, char, boolean, boolean. Revise it thoroughly. In non-primitive data types, or we can say it as a reference data types, here comes string, array, list, set, stack, vector, dictionary, all user defined classes extra. But presently you are going to study in this string in your class 9th. Now we will know what is variable when we have studied that what are our data types. Then it is must that we must revise what is variables. Variables represent named storage location whose values can be manipulated during program run. As you write your name, and your surname shows that it is just like your data, and what in what category you belong, whatever you have got with your name. Then a declaration of a variable involves assigning a data type to it. Now initialization of variable, how we initialize a variable. We first write data type, then we write variable. This can be optional. Optional means that age, you can write here a also. You can write here whatever you want, but it should be alphanumeric. In the previous lecture, I have told, or in the previous video, I have told how to write your variable. And 20. This is your data type, this is your variable name, and this is your value. It means reserved memory for a variable. Now constants. A constant is a variable whose value cannot change once it has been assigned. Means if we have assigned any value, then if we write it constant, then the value is not going to be changed. To turn an ordinary variable into constant, you have to use the keyword final. If we do not want to change any value in the in our program, then we have to write first final, double. Final is your keyword, which allows to not change the variable. Double is your data type, text is your variable, and this is your constant, which will be not changed during the execution of the program. Now see beta, this is a simple program which you are going to write in your register also. We have made a simple program, class area triangle. Now public is your access specifier, public static void main, string args. Double is your data type, base. See 20.0. We, as I have told you, this is your fractional number. Now double height 110.5. How you are going to, we are finding out area in this program. Area of a triangle, base into height oblique divided by 2, and how this you will get area of a triangle. This is your first program and this is your second, just to simple printer name. Here we have written class, class name, public, static, void, main, string, args, string name. See here it is a name, it is a constant, it is a string constant. We have print here hello, and here the string name means the output will come hello world. Okay beta, I'll send all the PDF of this presentation and you have to write neatly notes in your class register. When the school reopens, it will be checked.